Long ago, before residential school, we were a complete people. We had everything that we needed. Our mind was all together. Our physical was all together. Our economy was together. Children grew up in a very secure and very confident and very safe world. Everything that a people needed, we had it before residential school. Because our spirit was killed over there, and that's why they sent our grandparents home with a new spirit that wasn't ours.
The aim of the project is really around healing. And if it starts even one person on a healing journey through this whole project, then it's worth it.
The writing workshop, Healing Through Storytelling, motivated this song. It's called Walk to Clarity.
I believe my soul called on spirit, got the strength to listen, got the strength to hear it. Clarity.
A lot of the exercises that we focused on through the workshop allowed them a chance to write on topics that they would already have been thinking about and bring those down onto the page. For me, storytelling carries so much of cultural values, and so much of kind of who we are is wrapped up in the stories that we tell.
Moved through that fear, a layer at a time. I moved closer, fell back, but then closer over time.
So for me, because I'm a singer-songwriter, my storytelling turned into songs. So that's kind of what this is. It's about clearing out all that stuff so that I'm not muddled, and I can think straight, and I can continue to be kind and move through life in a good way.
Those damn tears I had bottled up inside.
I really do think people will take things away. And I think it's an opportunity for people within Tyendinaga or that is connected to Tyendinaga to know that they're not alone. Having this experience as a community, I think will have surprising results.
I found tears for love, tears for relief, tears for joy, tears for my belief. Clarity on my life.
I think the idea of facilitating the workshop out of a day school that is on Tyendinaga Mohawk Territory, which is now an immersion school, is a huge act of reclamation, and it really shows the resilience of our people, and it shows the strength and how we are able to reclaim our identities and be proud of them and move forward in these ways.
In my family, I have 3 aunties and 1 uncle that went to residential school. They went to the mush hole, and that impacted my family hugely. And if I think about that, and then how that impacts the community, there wasn't a huge amount of people that went to residential school from our community, but 100 people is a lot of people still.
When we experience something, we tend to hold it in our brain in the 5 senses, the feelings, the smell, sight, sound, taste. It's all of these things that are very visceral. And so art allows us to process those things in a very different way.
We tell stories to ourselves all the time. Some of our self-talk gives us strength or courage, as stories of my mother do for me. Some self-talk repeats negative stories of hurt or failure or broken relationships. And some of us sometimes can play out for ourselves a different ending to those stories.
We as Ungwehue, as Kenhtè, I think, are very resilient people. And it shows through what the residential school's mandate was and where we are today. And we're still here. And we're still doing things in our communities traditionally that we would be doing. And so it didn't break us. We're strong people.